Welcome to our tour of NCL Getaway Balcony Stateroom number 11782. The bed is positioned alongside the balcony, which is ideal for us. Both sides of the bed are equipped with reading lights with USB and USB-C outlets, as well as small nightstands. The sofa is closer to the closet, making the cabin feel a bit more spacious. The closet is equipped with a digital safe. The desk opposite the sofa has a padded stool with a dining tray on top that opens for additional storage. The hairdryer is placed beneath the desk. There's a mini fridge with water bottles available for purchase. There's a flat screen TV left of the desk, and the desk has 2 US standard and 2 European electrical outlets and a telephone. 2 hooks can be found on the wall just across from the bathroom. To the right of the bathroom door, you'll find the thermostat and a full-length mirror. If you're finding this video to be helpful or informative, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It's free to do, and it'll help our channel grow. There's plenty of shelves for toiletries above the sink, and the sink is equipped with 2 water glasses and hand soap. The shower wand adjusts for your height and it's detachable. There's body wash and conditioning shampoo. There's also a clothesline and a footrest bar. The balcony has 2 chairs and a small table, and ours faced forward. Thanks so much for watching. Let us help book your next trip. Contact us at Deanna@thewonderfullife.com. Watch our full ship tour video of the getaway by clicking the link above. And remember, keep living the wonderful life.